Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Currently we are into the multi-bagger stock of this week. It's a small cap stock, it's a potential multi-bagger and it's a true wealth creator. So try to accumulate the stock at the current price and hold it. As soon as we reach the target of almost 100%, we will take out our asset and we will hold our profit to grow because it's a true wealth creator. The stock is TCPL Packaging Ltd. It's a packaging company. Currently it is trading at 544.25 and our target is almost 1000 plus and we will take out our asset. Later on we will continue our profit to grow. Currently the market capitalization of the company is only 450 crore and the company's potential is more than 1200 crore. So it is very undervalued stock. It's a growing company. It's a profit making company. Company's fundamental is good. In the last trading session it was traded almost 2%. While we are going to the company's detail, you can see here TCPL Packaging Ltd is one of the leading and largest manufacturer of folding cartoon in India. The company manufactures packaging material for the following segment: cigarette, liquor, food, FMCG, etc. And one more news is there, the company recently acquired another company as well, and their client base, if we see, almost all the major companies in India are their clients. Currently we are into the TCPL packaging website. You can see here India's leading sustainable packaging company, over 30 years of constant growth, leader in the paper and packaging industry, innovative player in the flexible packaging industry, over 100 million in annual turnover, pan-India manufacturing base. So we will go to the company's fundamental and I will explain you what the company is manufacturing and why I am recommending this stock as multi-bagger. So if you see at the company's reserve and surplus in March 2017, it was 169 crore and every year the company's reserve and surplus, you can see here, it is getting added. So currently the company's reserve and surplus becomes 291 crore. Additional to that, company is paying dividend every year. If you see the company's dividend history, every year company is paying dividend. In 2017 company paid 6.25 rupees per share. In 2018 company paid 3.70 rupees per share. In 2019 company paid 5.25 rupees per share, and in 2020 company paid 4 rupees per share, and the last year in 2021 company paid 7.35 rupees per share. So you can imagine how much the company profit will be. So because they are paying dividend and also they are transferring some amount to company's reserve and surplus. And if you see at the authorized share capital, it is remained same for last 4 years, only 9 crore. It means the company's current face value per share is 10. It means company is having only 90 lakh share. Out of that, 55.74% stake with public, and there is one mutual fund scheme, they are holding 0.37%, and foreign institutional investors, they are holding 6.66% they are holding, and the total outstanding share is 37.3% with the public. While we are looking at the company's annual sale, you can see the growth of sale. You can see here in March 2017 company sales was 612 crore and it becomes 698 crore in 2018, 815 crore in 2019, in 2020 it becomes 889 crore, in March 2021 it becomes 903 crore. You can see the growth. You can see here a clear cut growth. Every year the company is adding its sale, and company's authorized share capital remains same. It means number of shares remains same, and the company is paying dividend, and company's net profit also, you can see here, every year company is giving positive result, and that's the reason company is paying dividend every year, and company is adding a small portion of its profit to reserve and surplus as well. So it's very potential company, and the company's fundamental is excellent, and company they are doing lot of strategic movement. If we see the recent news, TCPL Packaging acquisition of major stake in creative offset printers. What creative offset printers are doing? Currently we are into the creative papers printing website. You can see here company's major working area are branding services, digital websites, packaging, event collaterals, retail collaterals, communication strategy. So these are their major working areas. So you can see the similarity of services provided by the recently acquired company. And if we see at the company's client base, you can see here PepsiCo is there, the Times of India, Swiggy, DSM, Kohler, Space Matrix, HCL, DMA Housing, Clicks Corporate Finance, Bits Pilani, Vidyagyan, Shiv Nadar Foundation, Planet Cast, 24/7. So all these are their client base. So it will increase the sale of TCPL packaging in coming years because this acquisition was happened just recently, and they are dealing with lot of companies advertisement, especially in packaging. They are using this advertisement, so their business areas are getting increased. Their income will be generated from Creative Paper Prints as a subsidiary. Additional to that, they will get a good client base from their subsidiary company. That is their motive while they are acquiring Creative Paper Prints. They are supplying their products to pan-India network, to major clients, and as I told you, as long as they taken over Creative Paper Prints, those clients also will be added to TCPL packaging. Their products demand will get increased, and the company is having 1,800 employees. You can see the presence of TCPL packaging. They have factories in Goa, Silvassa, Noida, Guwahati and Haridwar, and they have marketing offices in Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata. So they have pan-India network, they have good client base, and their global presence you can see here, and still they are growing. While they are seeing their business areas and their acquisition strategy and the growth of sale, the company is moving ahead and they are increasing their presence in the global market, and even in India their presence are getting increased, their market shares are getting increased. So this is a right time we have to accumulate TCPL Packaging Limited. So you can see the products here: folding cartoons, specialty gift packaging, flexible packaging. In the flexible packaging itself, they have laminates, string sleeves, wrap around labels, pouches, mono cartoons, shelf ready packs, specialty and gift packaging, food packaging, pharma packaging. As everyone knows, as part of Making in India, India is focusing on manufacturing and export. So the packaging industry will be the major beneficiary of the export business. Even if you want to present a product in international market or even in India itself, the product should be properly packaged. So the company like TCPL Packaging Limited, they know how to increase the demand of their product. That's the reason only that strategical approach to acquire Creative Paper Prints was done. That is mainly because of Creative Paper Prints client database and also their working area. So that will support TCPL packaging to grow. So this is the right time we have to accumulate the stock. It's a potential multi-bagger. As I told you, it's a wealth creator as well. So we have to accumulate the stock at this current price because only limited shares are available. You can see here in BSE only 50 shares are traded on the last trading session, but it was traded only 2%, 1.79%, and the price was 541.10. And you can see here the promoter, they are holding 55.74% of the stake. There is no change in that, and the company is paying dividend every year. And in NSE, almost 4,406 shares are traded during the last trading session. It was traded at 544.25. So if you want to buy TCPL packaging, you have to better buy in NSE, and 77.67% of the shares are taken delivery during the last trading session in NSE. So try to accumulate the stock at the current price. So TCPL Packaging Limited is a potential multi-bagger and it's a true wealth creator. So keep accumulating it, and surely this will lead your portfolio in coming years. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly stay tuned.